At saka, ayan, i-release po ang book namin ha. Sige, ang kaibigan kong Alien, sana bumili po kayo. Talagang marami po kayo lessons na matututunan dito. Tungkol po to sa family, love, friendship, at maraming iba pa.
Oh, hinihingal pa siya yan. Gagawa ko. Here you go. Let's switch mics. Here you go, Rafael. All right. I heard, because in the show, oh, let's sit down. Oo nga, let's take a breath. Okay. I heard on the show kasi, si Mommy Tumo, siya yung nagbabasa sa'yo ng book. Tama ba? Oo, tama. So, we actually have a video here. We want to show you what that looks like. Would you like to intro the video?
Sure.
Sure po. That's our cue. Guys, let's watch that video. This is Mommy 2 and how she reads that book on the show, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch this.
Hindi makatalon-talon kaya sa luksong baka. Lagi tayong talo. Ayaw ka na namin kalaro, Tonyo. Uuwing nakatungo si Tonyo. Humihiling sa kalawakan. Bituing marikit. Bigyan niyo po ako ng kaibigan. Pag-iipon ng laro. Pwede ba kitang maging kaibigan?
Aba, oo. Tonyo ang pangalan ko. Marami akong alam na laro, pero hindi ako magaling sa mga ito eh.
Napaisip ang dayuhan bago nagsabing, di sabay nating aralin. Naglaro sila ng tumbang preso, luksong tinik at nagpalipad ng saranggola.
Maraming salamat sa pakikipaglaro sa akin ha.
Puno ng galak sa puso ni Tonyo. At ngayon, masasabi niya, may kaibigan akong alien.
Ayan. So, you liked it? Let's give a round of applause. This is what you get on the show when you watch. And ito po yung book, no? We have a big mock-up of the book. Si Gren, ang kaibigan kong alien, is the book that we are launching today with the complete cast of the show, My Guardian Alien. And I heard talagang the support that you've been getting for the show has been out of this world. Yes, which is why you're all here. Well, to add even more excitement to today's launch and our book experience today, nasa na yung mga tita natin? Yes, mga mommy. Okay, are we ready to welcome a very familiar face to all of us? He is Papa Carlos of Doy. At Papa nating marami, who's here to see him. Ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome the ageless, enduring, leading man, and forever heartthrob of Philippine cinema and TV, Mr. Gabby Concepcion! Ayan na siya! Oh my goodness!
Maganda! Napakaganda niyo naman lahat. Kamusta kayo? Magandang umaga po. Hello, Sam. How are you, Sam?
Hi, how are you? Please have a seat. It's so nice to meet you. Oh!
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you again. Kamusta kayo lahat? Lahat po ng kumukuha ng litrato, isa lang request ko sa inyo. Padala niyo ang kopya. Wala kasi...
needs to take a picture talaga when, of course, Sir Gabby comes on stage. Welcome to the Philippine Book Festival 2024.
Sam, it's a pleasure to be here. This is actually my first time to be in a book festival. So, welcome po sa lahat ng mga teacher too. Pag nakikita ko nga kayo, parang naalala ko ang nanay ko. Ayan. So, welcome to the World International Intellectual Property Day.
That's right. We're celebrating that today as well.
Yes, andito ngayon kami kasama ng GMA at ang malit ng cast ng My Guardian Alien. Yan po. Malaking may mensahe, Sam, ang ginagawa ng teleserye ng GMA, itong My Guardian Alien. It's never been done before. Meron siyang mga mensahe. Ang relationship niya hindi lang father-son, kung hindi mother-son, at higit sa lahat family. Pero huwag natin kakalimutan, no man is an island. So sometimes we need our friends for guidance, and sometimes our friends become our family.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, of course, Philippine Book Festival, this is all about reading, right?
Yes.
And we're curious also, you know, as a father, did you read a lot with your daughters? Parang nagbabanding ba kayo with books?
Yeah. When they were younger, I made it a point that I read to them because with today's, modern technology, mga cell phones, mga internet, lahat sila napapako ngayon dun sa tablet. So, importante yung reading. Marami silang benefits na nakuha sa reading. Diba? Mga word, yung comprehension nila, reading skills nila bumibilis instead of just games.
Yes.
So, I did that when they were young too.
Fantastic! I love the family connection that you have to this event as well.
Yes.
And speaking of family, we did promise the complete cast today, and
Yes.
you are a family, right?
Yes.
And so to complete on stage the family bonding of my guardian alien, mga kapuso, here with us today is a proud wife and dedicated.
Hello! Hello! Hi! Bawal na dito sumigaw kasi lahat sila naka-cellphone.
Diba? Talagang not a single hand. Like, I mean, everyone is just holding up their phones. Please have a seat. Hello.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Philippine Book Festival. Would you like to greet everyone?
Hello, good afternoon! Naku, mahina. Good afternoon! Ayan, good afternoon sa inyo. Salamat sa pagpunta nyo dito dahil nakakatuwa, no? Sana maibalik talaga natin yung love natin for reading. Lalo na sa mga bata.
And I think really having you here on stage drives home the message. You know, this is a TV series that is based on this book that we are launching today. It's entitled Si Gren ang Kaibigan Kong Alien.
Yes, and I was telling them earlier, like the universe gives us everything. So because of the gift or the message, dumating ang ating kaibigan. Kaya ang title niya sa aming teleserye ay My Guardian Alien. So yan ang magiging alien o guide ni Doy sa nangyayari sa aming teleserye.
I mean, this is such an exciting show. I hope you all, stay on track and watch this. And we also want to thank you for this memorable experience because we're so happy. As you mentioned earlier, Sir Gabby, we are celebrating World Intellectual Property Day. April 26th is World Intellectual Property Day with GMA and the cast of My Guardian Alien. And we would like to support GMA's commitment to anti-piracy work that has been made even more relevant here at the Philippine Book Festival 2024. I heard, Miss Marian, that you're actually gonna turn over some copies of the book that you signed yourself. Tama? Oh my goodness. Okay, talagang she signed every copy and she's giving them out to date because she wants to encourage more kids to read and learn about genuine friendship and the joy of playing Pinoy childhood games. So with GMA, si Ms. Marian Rivera po is giving away copies of Si Gren ang Kaibigan Kong Alien to National Book Development Board's Book Nook project. So this will go to more Filipino children and adults and they can enjoy this heartwarming story about friendship and acceptance. So let's give GMA and the whole cast here a big round of applause. And we'd like to welcome on stage the Executive Director of National Book Development Board, Ms. Cherise Aquino Togade. Where are you? Please join us. And also perhaps a representative of the Book Nook project of National Book Development Board. We have Ms. Rosette coming on stage now with the copies of the book. And again, talagang signed each copy by herself. We have the whole cast who will be giving this out today. Hello, Commissioner Carlo Abello is here of the National Commission on Culture and the Arts and of course National Book Development Board as well, part of the Book Nook project. Okay, so you will be representing. Would you like to go here in front of the couch? Yes. Okay, so I believe there will be... Here we go, everyone. So from the cast of My Guardian Alien, we are launching this book, Si Gren ang Kaibigan Kong Alien. On the other side, we have our representatives from National Book Development Board and the Book Nook project. And these books are being donated on behalf of GMA. A big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen, for this exchange, for this partnership, for the support that is being expressed on stage right now. Again, today is World Intellectual... Ayan, okay. There has been an exchange. Let's take pictures of this.
Pictures,
We gotta tell the world that this happened today at the Philippine Book Festival 2024. And so with this, many more children and adults will be able to enjoy the story of friendship and acceptance. Commissioner Carlo, you'd like to say something?
Thank you very much, GMA. We have more than 100 sites of Book Nook all over the Philippines. So please look for your sites. This is a very important mileage for our Book Nook sites. In each site has more than 1,200 books that you can borrow all over the country. So please, if there's a Book Nook site in your country, please go. If there's a Book Nook site in your place, please come and visit and you can borrow books. Thank you very much for this. Yes, for free. The books are for free.
Thank you very much. A round of applause, please, once again for everyone on stage. Everyone, we want to thank GMA. Some of our GMA executives are also with us today. Thank you for making the trip over. The complete cast of My Guardian Alien, everyone. Representatives from National Book Development Board. All right, once again, thank you, thank you. We're sending you off now. Thank you very much. Make sure.
Pwesto po, pwesto. Ma'am, atras na kayo, ma'am. Maipit kayo dyan, maipit kayo dyan, ha? Atras na kayo dyan.
Ready po, ready. Excuse me, tagaan po. Digital ni Marian.
Ma'am, buko na.
Dalawang door, dalawang door.
Sige.
Thank you.